Wolfbox G850 Pro versus G900 Pro. Which Wolfbox mirror dash cam should you buy? In this video, I'm comparing the Wolfbox G850 Pro with the G900 Pro to find out which mirror dash cam gives you better video quality, safety features, night performance, and overall value. And both products are tagged with this video, so you can check the G850 Pro and G900 Pro directly while watching and compare the current pricing and available options. Starting with recording quality, both models give you 4K front recording, but the G900 Pro has the advantage in camera hardware. It uses a Sony SDARVIS2 IMX678 sensor for the front camera and a Sony SDARVIS IMX sensor for the rear. The G900 Pro records up to 4K at the front and 2.5K at the rear, making it the stronger option when capturing details such as vehicles and license plates. The G850 Pro also records 4K at the front, but its rear camera records at 1080p. Both cameras support HDR, and you still get a large 12-inch display, making the G850 Pro a capable everyday mirror dash cam. However, the G850 Pro has one major feature the G900 Pro doesn't offer: built-in ADAS and blind spot detection. It provides safety alerts including lane departure, forward collision, rear collision, side collision, and pedestrian warnings. Its BSD system can also provide alerts related to vehicles in your blind spots, so the decision starts becoming very clear. The G850 Pro focuses more heavily on driver assistance features, while the G900 Pro prioritizes higher quality front and rear video. Both models also provide useful everyday features such as GPS, high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi voice control, and a 12-inch mirror display. You can connect to the compatible Wolfbox app to access recordings and manage supported functions. Storage is another difference worth knowing. Wolfbox currently lists the G850 Pro with support for up to a 256GB memory card, while the G900 Pro supports up to 512GB. That additional capacity can be useful if you want to retain more high-resolution footage. For parking protection, compatible parking monitoring features require an appropriate hardwire installation. So check what's included with the package you're buying and what additional accessories you may need. Here's a pro tip: don't choose purely based on the 4K label because both models advertise 4K front recording. If identifying details in recorded footage is your priority, the G900 Pro's Sony sensors and 2.5K rear camera make it the more compelling choice. If you value ADAS and blind spot warnings more, the G850 Pro has the advantage. So which one should you buy? Choose the Wolfbox G850 Pro if you want 4K front recording, ADAS, blind spot detection, voice controls, GPS, and a lower-cost route into Wolfbox's more advanced safety features. Choose the G900 Pro if your priority is maximum recording quality, especially from the rear camera, better image sensors, and greater storage capacity. For overall video quality, I'd choose the G900 Pro. But for drivers who specifically want additional driver assistance and blind spot alerts, the G850 Pro could actually be the smarter purchase. Both the Wolfbox G850 Pro and G900 Pro are tagged with this video, so check the tagged products to compare the latest pricing and choose the model that best fits your needs. If you found this comparison helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. G850 Pro or G900 Pro, which one would you choose?